All right. Hi, this is Steven, and for today's video, I'm just going to talk about the direction of my YouTube channel. I know the last one that I posted was back in probably spring of 2022, and the direction I want to take with my YouTube channel is I've been spending more time, doing high ticket closing, studying, practicing, looking for deals. So I've been mostly focused on that. And so for that reason, I'm going to focus primarily on videos about the high ticket closing, a little bit of high ticket sales as relate to that, but basically, high ticket closing. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any comments about, or questions about this. And as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button so that you'll know when the next video shows up. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.